Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. Today, we are diving into customizing BRI testimonial number 1 section in Shopify's Liquid Code. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a visually stunning and fully customized testimonial section for your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, head over to the Liquid Code section of your Shopify theme. To do this, go to your Shopify admin panel, navigate to Online Store, then click Themes. Next, click on Customize and find the option for Edit Code. Once you're in the code editor, filter the file names by typing RI testimonial number 1 into the search bar. Select the corresponding liquid file, and this will open up the section where all the customization happens. Now, let's explore the different parts of this section and how you can tailor them to your brand style and tone. To make custom changes, we first need to add a new section. Click on Customize Theme, then select the RI Testimonial number 1 section. As you do this, you'll see the editable blocks appear in the left panel. This is where all the customization options are available. Let's start with the heading. You can easily modify the text to match your brand message. If you want a different font, simply enable or disable the custom font option. Shopify provides a range of font families. Choose the one that best represents your style. You can also adjust the heading size separately for mobile and desktop to maintain readability. For better visual balance, tweak the heading's line height and alignment. Whether you want it centered, left-aligned, or right-aligned, make sure it complements your overall design. Customizing the ratings. Next, let's customize the rating display. If your testimonial includes star ratings, you can modify their font, size, and spacing. Don't want ratings? No problem. You can easily hide them. But if you want to showcase customer feedback effectively, adjust the star count, size, and alignment to make them stand out. Adding and styling the main text. Now, let's move on to the main testimonial text. Here, you can enter customer reviews, enable or disable custom fonts, and choose a font family that fits your branding. Adjust the text size, line height, and alignment for a clean, professional look. Want to add an image alongside the testimonial? Simply choose the Text Right Image option and upload a relevant image. You can resize and reposition it to fit your design perfectly. Optimizing the slider. For a more interactive experience, we have the slider settings. Adjust the slider width for desktop and mobile views to ensure smooth scrolling. You can also control the number of slides per view and fine-tune the slider gap for a seamless layout. Customizing the card appearance. Each testimonial is presented in a card, and you have full control over its appearance. Customize the padding to create the right amount of spacing, adjust the border radius for a softer or sharper look, and add or remove shadows for extra depth. You can also personalize the heading font, text size, and alignment within each testimonial card to maintain brand consistency. Styling the buttons. If you'd like to add a call to action button, Shopify gives you full customization options. Change the button text and link, adjust the font, and tweak the size to fit your design. You can also modify the button's padding and border radius for a sleek look. To make it more visually appealing, select custom colors for the button, hover effects, and border settings. Adjust in section spacing and colors. To refine the entire section, adjust the top and bottom margins to control spacing. You can also set padding levels separately for desktop and mobile. If you prefer a full width layout, enable that option for a modern, expansive design. For the background, choose a solid color that matches your brand, or get creative with gradient effects. You can even modify the border thickness for a distinct style. Once all your changes are in place, take a final look using the preview option. Now that all your changes are in place, it's time for a final check. Scroll through your testimonial section carefully, ensuring that everything is aligned, visually appealing, and matches your brand's aesthetic. Check how it looks on both desktop and mobile to ensure a seamless experience for all visitors. Pay close attention to font sizes, spacing, and image placements. Make sure the slider is functioning smoothly and that all text is easy to read. If you notice anything off, take a moment to tweak it until you're fully satisfied. Once everything looks perfect, go ahead and hit that Save button. And just like that, your RI Testimonial number 1 section is now fully customized. Your Shopify store now has a professionally designed testimonial section that enhances credibility, builds trust, and keeps your customers engaged. And that's a wrap for this tutorial. We hope this step-by-step guide helped you tailor your Shopify testimonial section to perfection. Customizing your store's testimonial section not only makes your brand stand out but also strengthens customer trust and encourages new buyers to shop with confidence. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and happy selling.